To send money from India to France, you need to follow a series of steps, starting with choosing a suitable money transfer service. There are several options available, including banks, online money transfer services, and currency exchange offices. Compare the fees, exchange rates, and transfer times of different services to find the one that best suits your needs. Once you have selected a service, you will need to create an account, providing the required personal and financial information. This typically includes your name, address, and identification documents, as well as the recipient's details, such as their name, address, and bank account information in France. Next, you will need to fund your transfer, which can be done using a variety of payment methods, including debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transfer amount and any applicable fees. After funding your transfer, you can initiate the transaction, specifying the amount you want to send and the recipient's details. The service will then convert your Indian rupees to euros and transfer the funds to the recipient's bank account in France. It is essential to check the exchange rates and fees associated with the transfer, as these can affect the amount received by the recipient. Look for services that offer competitive exchange rates and low fees to ensure you get the best value for your money. Additionally, consider the transfer time, which can range from a few minutes to several days, depending on the service and payment method used. Some services offer instant transfers, while others may take longer to process. To ensure a smooth and secure transaction, make sure to use a reputable and licensed money transfer service, and keep the recipient's details and transfer reference number confidential. Also, be aware of any tax implications or regulations that may apply to international money transfers. In summary, sending money from India to France involves choosing a suitable service, creating an account, funding your transfer, initiating the transaction, and checking the exchange rates and fees. By following these steps and considering the key factors, you can ensure a fast, secure, and cost-effective transfer of funds to your recipient in France.